Sappppaning, I tell you exactly what's happening. It's Beetle Diaries time, so this is going to be video 3. Things aren't as bad as what they first appeared. So the crankshaft seal is dripping very, very minor. You know, not enough to do it right yet. Clutch still works brilliant and all that stuff. I've cleaned up underneath it. Right up on the ramps, it's not dripping, it's barely dripping anything. So that's all good. So rather than doing all that stuff, I thought it was going to be, Jesus, to be fair. But no, it's good. So what we're going to do is a bit of a service, a bit of maintenance thing. Let me just show you underneath. How clean is this under here now? All that shit going on was all caked under there. To be fair, just from when it was driving around and it's been running under there, that's been making it worse. But see, it is up under here, very, very minor drip. Nothing too much, so it's just going to be a bit of a maintenance thing. And I reckon things should be good until the end of the year, if not easy. Jesus, I'm falling over anything. I'm excited about it. So, there's a bit of stuff that's going on. That's a good thing about wax and gleam detailing. Not just detailing. Jack of all trades, can do all mechanic stuff, everything. So, got the car up on the ramps in the garage. Oh, so much to him. Definitely. So, I'll update you along the way we go. But just check this. This is all the shit that came out from underneath the car this morning. You know, just washed off from under there. But these ramps, race ramps, I know they're not the cheapest, but my God, do I recommend them. Yeah, you can sit on the Beetle forum, just put some wood under all this stuff. Nah, that's what you need, so I'll update you in a minute. So we're just going to get the strainer out as well now, but just look at the bottom of this and all the shit that's in that. Nothing metallically though, it's just smudge and just goo, which is built up over time, but yeah, well, the GoPro, the lights in it make it flicker a bit on the screen, so I do apologise guys, but hopefully, in theory, once all that stuff's done, should be running sweet as a nut. I hope. So as you can see, this is what's out, the strainer and everything's out. When it's going in, this one nut is going in too much. You don't want to take the bolt off the inside, because then it's going to be engine out job. So I'm going to try and cut that in a little bit, just to hold it there in place and rethread it. That's the plan anyway. But sorry if this video is a bit jumpy, but it's going to be a bit, you know, here, there and everywhere, showing you the progress. What's happening? So just a bit of a quick update. I know the screen, yeah, I can see it flickering a little bit. These lights to this, it doesn't like it on here too much. But there we go, the rock cover's been off as well. Both of those have been changed, each side. Not looking too bad under it either. The gasket and all that stuff is done. Some plugs done. That's all in now, there's no oil coming out of it, which is nice. What about gaskets? That's what I had it on my mind then when I said it. Just check this, the old one that comes off. Someone had put bloody silicone around it at some point, which doesn't need. Modern cars, yes. Old cars like that don't need it. So I think that's helped a little bit with it running out of it. But that's done. You know, should sound sweet as a nut, to be fair. Topped it up with oil as well. Of course, the proper air-cooled oil for it. And I've noticed as well, the one exhaust on this side is a little bit loose. You know, so it's been welded at some point there. So I'm either contemplating getting a new exhaust for it or sorting that properly. So I've taken the tinware off. Tinware's on the bench over there. Nonetheless, she's having some love, which is the most important thing. So I'm going to end this video there. There'll be a follow-up one at some point as well when stuff is done, and I'll show it running. But yeah, well, because I like to do the car stuff mainly for Viking Views, but this is going to be my daily blog stuff because it is what's happening every day, innit? So take care, peace and love, until next time, boosh.